Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the handle on a Jaquar health faucet. Now you can see that the handle on this Jaquar health faucet has broken. Here is a broken handle. Now this one, as you can see from the logo, this is from the older model. So this is a replacement handle which is available in certain hardware stores. You should probably ask before you go ahead and replace this entire unit, because this is made of brass, chrome plated brass rather. It is very expensive, so it's best to just buy this plastic handle. This is made of plastic, it's not brass, so it's available for rupees 100 each. Now what you need to do is unthread this front part and open this washer here. There's a washer you can see here. Open it, and you can also see another component inside. Now what you need to do is insert this washer back and then place this component like this and thread the atomizer back. So when you do that, this handle becomes loose. So you can see this broken piece of handle. Now to take it off, what you need to do is it will simply slide and come off like this. What essentially happens is when you inserted that particular plastic thing the other way around and you screwed it back, this particular spring-loaded protrusion, it has come out even further. So that's how you are able to replace this. Now to insert it back, all you need to do is take the new handle, simply slide it in. Right now, again, repeat the process. Take the washer out, place it this way, like that. Replace the washer. Now let us go, install it back, and let me show you the health faucet working. No leaks anywhere. So that is how you replace the broken handle on a Jaquar health faucet.